welcome back to our YouTube channel Chalaki Pari. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಅದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. Now I'll do sleeve gag. Then I'll do something special dish cooking. Okay, I'll tell the ingredients and you see. Let's see how it comes. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, okay. Okay. Now it's okay guys, start. Let's go.
Pani puri.
Yes, she is doing pani puri and she'll tell the ingredients to you. Okay guys?
Okay.
So first we have to take pudina.
Pudina.
Yes, pudina. You should take pudina and kotthamri.
Kottambri.
Coriander. Coriander equally you should take ginger.
Ginger.
Yes, and then chili.
Chili.
3 chilies. I am adding 3 chili. If you want 4 or 5, you can add. Okay guys?
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
ನಾವು 3 ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅವರು 4 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ನಾವು 3 ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು 4 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಈ ಖಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು. Okay guys?
Okay.
Then I am adding salt.
Salt.
And some water. You should add some water guys.
Add some water.
Yes.
ನಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುವುದು.
How do you? Oh. You should grind it well. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರುಬ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರುಬ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You should grind it.
Mix.
Mixi.
Correct.
Grind it. You should grind it ಅನ್ನು.
You should grind it.
Yes guys, it's already grinded and we have it. We should work on it like this, okay? This one, if you do like this, nothing is going to happen. If anyone is saying, she is going actually. She will leave. No. Okay guys? Yeah. And we should have little water. And we should also do this stinging thing. Like if we do like this, then add this to here. Okay? Then we put this. Then we will take a spoon, little we will add water. Okay guys, like this. Keep on adding water. See, fully you should add water. And it's very strong essence of chili, pudina, and all coriander and all. Till it goes, every essence goes there, we should do. We should add more water. After tangled, after pudina and the mixed salt, we are using tamarind juice. You should soak tamarind for half an hour and then we should use it. How much ever you want the sour taste, you must use that much. It gives nice sour taste for this.
Just give.
So,
Nice. Please, please, please. Please.
so after tamarind,
Give
we can put this in the dustbin. There is not dustbin, okay? Don't think anything, right?
Please give.
After this, we can add water according to our
Give.
necessity. Okay? Then,
Please, please.
after that, we are going to add according to your taste. I am using 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and pani puri masala and or 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of chaat masala and half tablespoon of garam masala. Okay guys, got it? Then mix it well. We can mix it well. If you have to add water, you can add little bit because pani will be not thick. It will be like water only. See? Okay? Then we are going to add some onions for the taste. See? If you want, you can add little more. And some veggies and we add some save. I did not got save, I got Bombay save. So I am using Bombay save for this. Everything is fine, but it's okay. Huh. So we can take this outside. Now our pani, see guys, our pani is ready. Okay guys, now we should boil some potatoes, boiled and peeled potatoes, and this is boiled fish. Boiled fish you use. We should smash both of them until it turns out a fine paste. Let's do. Come on. The main part is not this actually. You are smashing. First we smash fish, then we smash potato. Okay? You can smash like this one. Bro. What is there? You can smash like this one. There is nothing wrong. Oh, actually smash like this. Yes. Yeah. Generally it is so nice picture. I don't know. This is another type of fun. Yeah, going over. Hey, it's so good like this I'm doing it. This fine paste. Now we should smash aloo also. While doing aloo, we can smash it easy. If it is easy. My mom is watching and she is laughing, right? Don't take me wrong. Smash everything in your press. Tick, 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 tick. Now I am doing only it's very rich, okay. And I am doing with gag. You people should support me. You people are not doing anything actually. Just my hand is clean on it. I I want like smashing music. But then my hand is only this for that. And after doing Pani Puri, the high risk of doing this washing dishes. That is now after smashing both, we'll add some salt. How is like some people will add जलन पे नमक खिलाते हैं ना गायों को सूर्य on wounds they will pour some salt like that we should put some salt okay guys and some onion for taste if you people don't think I'm using more onions but onion is needed okay guys and I don't have patience to put little bit mirchi powder means red chili powder. Next, garam masala. It's enough I think guys. Now, we should take one salt from here and tiki tiki taka taka tiki tiki taka taka do observe tiki tiki taka taka do tiki tiki taka. Because this can be added for your taste, not for my taste. Okay, guys. Major part is not making pani puri. After that, we wash dishes now. After big headache. Why see? One full half sink full of veggies. What I should do? Look, I'm doing this much. Yes, people should support us. Okay, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do support us guys, please. Okay. Now the filling part is prepared, pani is prepared. Only puri part is ready. Until then, please guys support us. I'm doing this much of job only to entertain you people. And this is one of my subscribers request. Gag cooking challenge. Okay, please share. Do maximum share, comment, and also subscribe and bell icon. Okay, please guys. Okay, next we will go to puri part. Come on, guys. For puri, we are using ready-made puri packets. I have taken some puri in my plate. Now I am giving this effort. We should deep fry that. Okay, guys. Come on, let's go. Take one. It will wait for oil to guys. We should touch the oil. Let's touch it by putting this one. This one is very technical. Let's see what happens. All should be separated correctly because it won't come ground rather than the this is won't come. We should be doing like this, then it will come round. More dool, more will come. More like a worksheet. We should forcefully do this. It won't come. Please. Guys, the final output is ready. This is puri and this is masala and this is thani with some airoli and some Tina. Sihana, how is the pani puri? Mada. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೂಪರ್.
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಸೊ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಲೆಂಜು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ತಿಂತ ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ
ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದಾ? And leave your comments down next to what type of challenges you want. Please comment it. We'll do it. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸಿಯಾನ? ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬೇಕಂತ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Bye. Ciao.
Bye.
See you in next video.